Talk to me.
Daddy J1.
Yeah.
Tasha's in my morning.
Come again?
Blood is 40 years. Is taller now. My brother's 40.
40 years taller.
Yes.
Taller than who? Kwedini tudibanisa nezandla uyirhasi wena. Hey, what are you talking? Hey man, we out here, man. We out here. Excited, yakubona ufiti, bro. Yo, nice to see you, man. Nice to see you.
It's been some time.
Nice to see you, man. Hey, excited.
Showing up, yeah.
So out.
So qale sibone phakuma okanye sovele
Bone phakuwe nje sibambe and have a young playlist because we are saying to I think kuthiwa next week ngoku yabo.
Ewe ne.
Because we session yabe be hip hop session.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, is no one and isiphathele neball so bezikhaba ibhola lapha yabo.
Okay.
And then we yeah, you know what it is. We out here, but it's a kid.
My hair is too awesome.